Hello me handsome. So today we're going to be doing another sauce review, again using our good friend the cauliflower. So get your cauliflower just sweating down, roasting away there on the hob. Plenty of oil, plenty of butter. And today we're actually going to be doing a classic. It's a Heinz Chip Shop sauce. The only reason I'm reviewing this, I saw this at the corner of my eye and I thought, oh, I've got to give that a go. I'm a huge fan of chip shop curry sauce and I wanted to know how close it was to the real thing. So, of course, as we always do, before we mix it, we try a bit there. And yeah, it's okay. It's not too bad on its own. Bit wishy-washy, but let's see how it adds with everything else there. So we've just covered our cauliflower nicely in the sauce. And we'll give it a go. And you know what? I quite enjoyed this. I've actually used it most days since then. Of course, ideally it would go with something like sausage, chips, bit of fish, etc. But it worked quite well with the cauliflower. I quite enjoyed it. I would definitely recommend this one. It was a little bit pricey, but give it a go yourself. Ta for watching. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again.